on Western Roundup, we head to St. Anne, where we bring you highlights of the recent staging of the Minard Livestock and Beef Show. Then we head to St. James to the Barracks Road Primary School, where a new grade 6 block was recently opened. It should be good, so stick around. Thousands of students from basic, primary, secondary, and tertiary institutions across Jamaica created a buzz as they converged on Minard Estate in Brownstown, St. Anne on November 14th. The event was the 21st staging of the Minard Livestock Show and Beef Festival, held for the first time since 2019. The day's activities included a goat and calf scramble, sheep draw, livestock judging competitions, rabbit display and draw, beef festival, and much more.
Today we are at Minard. We are at the Livestock Festival.
How is it going so far?
It's been good. It's been good. We've been learning a lot about growing things, about raising livestock, about plants, how they work for us. And we've been seeing a lot of food and a lot of entertainment. It's really good.
We've been walking around, going on rides, eating. We're just having fun overall. There's a part, I'm not sure what it's called, but there's a man and he's teaching us about different crops, how they grow. He's teaching us about agriculture in Jamaica. He's teaching us different landscapes.
It's been good. It's a little hot, but I can't complain. Last time I've been here, the weather was a bit rainy, but I would say the weather is perfect for today because it has given me the chance to walk around and view all the booths and expos that is happening, and also get some relevant information pertaining to agriculture. It's coming out of COVID and seeing all the kids here, I would say it is a big event.
Because I'm an agricultural student, I'm here to learn, as well as the rest of my group, although they're not present with me right now at the moment, but we're here discovering different farm animals, and agriculture and science is it's a nice, you learn about the animals, different type of plants, all those things.
The Minard Livestock Show and Beef Festival was held under the theme Smart Livestock Production, Safer, Cleaner, Better. The event was staged in partnership with Jamaica Dairy Development Board, JDDB, Jamaica 4-H Clubs, Cattle Breeders Society of Jamaica, Agro Investment Corporation, Nutrimix, and Discovery Bauxite. Among the announcements made at the event was that some 29 high-quality calves are expected to be delivered under the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries National Livestock Genetic Improvement and Breeding Technology Program. This will provide cattle and small ruminant farmers with access to prime genetic stock to improve the production and productivity of the livestock sector, as well as reduce Jamaica's importation of beef and milk. Meanwhile, in St. James, a new $30 million grade 6 block was officially opened at the Barracks Road Primary School. The new block features 4 classrooms, a resource center and bathroom facilities, which will provide a more comfortable learning environment for the students preparing for the 2023 sitting of the Grade 6 Primary Exit Profile PEP examination.
We place on record our gratitude to all persons who have invested in education. Education is a team sport. Look at the magnificent team right here. You are valued and valuable partners, and we say thanks. Thanks for believing in the words of Benjamin Franklin that said, an investment in education pays the greatest interest. And so we say thanks to all our teachers, our past students, our present students our hardworking teachers and principals, and our dedicated community members for the many sacrifices you have made over the years.
The building was funded under a public-private partnership involving the Ministry of Education and Youth, the St. James Municipal Corporation, and private businesses in Montego Bay.
And that's all for the program today. As usual, thanks for joining us on this episode of Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismabay@gis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.